Look no further. This beautiful and bright home, situated on 1.59 acres lot, is ready for you to move in with freshly painted interior and exterior. Nice open floor plan, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, large living room, all very inviting. The master bedroom has a spacious walk-in closet and roomy master bath. All tiled in the kitchen, living dining room and laminate in all bedrooms. Spacious kitchen with granite countertops, plenty of cabinet space and stainless steel appliances. Outside open lanai to enjoy your morning coffee with a peaceful view. Don't wait any longer and schedule your showing today.